Payment revision needed Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can solve payment revision needed on Amazon, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, it's nothing sort of a major issue when Amazon says payment revision needed. It is usually because Amazon is not being able to verify with a current payment method. That's why it's asking you to just revise if they are still correct. So you can open the Amazon app, just come to the U button that you can find here. Go to the option called Your Account from the very top of the screen, and from here you will see various sort of options here. So you can simply go to the option called payment and subscriptions or something like that. So let me just go ahead and then look for the payment option over here. So when you go to the payment option, it will ask you to just go ahead and then basically check your payment methods if you have added them. And once you check your payment methods, you should be able to go ahead and then figure out if they're still working or not. So here you can see Amazon Pay, you can see Amazon Pay Later, more payment options and so on. Just make sure that the card that you have added is actually working just fine, and just verify the payment method. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.